Well, we have with us heartthrob Aditya Roy Kapoor here in Chicago. The fourth concert of Dream Team Tour is about to start, and Aditya Roy Kapoor is breaking many hearts, and he's making girls literally drool, and soon, like I've never seen before. So Aditya, you'd like to have you on board now, first of all.
Thank you so much for having us. It's been great having you on tour with us. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And does it give you more confidence with the sort of like fan following that you're having out here, and the way, in fact, Houston, I still remember there was one girl who was पूरे शो में वो I love you बोलती रही है.
I heard about that, and I heard that she kept screaming it through everyone's act.
I think I think you look towards her.
I think I looked. Oh, that was the girl. I looked at one girl on that left-hand side. So if that was her, and she went all like whatever. But of course, yeah. I think when you're on stage, for me, it's the first time on stage performing, and I think the one thing I figured is you feed off what you get. It's all a very instant thing, right? So you feed off the energy that they give back to you. So it's a very, very big thing, yeah. If imagine performing in front of a crowd of pin drop silence, it's not going to give you that energy. But halfway through your act, if you get a cheer, you get a reaction, and they're responsive, it means everything to that performance.
Okay. Now you've done something like Aashiqui too, where you were a performer, you were a singer, and you have that entire energy with the crowd. Now, when you approach future films, will this experience help you in just maybe just selecting your films in terms of the audience that you're having, that you feel that is there for you?
You know, more in terms of selecting films, it's helped me break down some walls. In terms of Aashiqui was a really big musical success. It was a runaway hit and all of that. And I never did a stage performance after. It's been 3 years and I've never gone on stage. So I let that, in a sense, get the better of me. It was an unnecessary kind of wall to build and to hold myself back from coming onto stage. So this tour has kind of broken down those walls and broken down that barrier, which was quite unnecessary. After the first show in Houston, I've gotten much more comfortable. You still get those butterflies every time you go on stage, but those are things that you need. If you weren't getting those butterflies, I think it's a problem. But now I think I feel like, you know, I wouldn't think twice before doing another stage show. I wouldn't think twice before. I feel like if you give some time to your rehearsals and you give it that respect and the time that it deserves, it'll give back to you, and you kind of feel more. It's all about repetition and it's all about practice and that kind of thing. So I did a lot of rehearsal for this, and I just feel like if you put in that hard work, it makes a big difference. So yeah, this tour has helped me break down those barriers, I think.
In fact, I was showing you that video of Dr. Preeti, who was there at the press conference last night, and Karan Johar was saying that room service, in fact, Aditya. So how do you react to something like this? Because, you know, it's like very, very loaded actually. She was literally, in fact, later I spoke to her, she said that she loves you. Yeah. But the way it seemed in the press conference, that it was something else, man.
But honestly, I think everyone misconstrued
sex symbol.
No, she was a very sweet, innocent Dr. Preeti that I think just asked me about what I was going to offer up the next day on the stage show, not in any other shape or form. But of course, the lovely panel that we have was quick to pounce on her, not literally, but and kind of take that question in the wrong way. But it was all in fun and games. But yeah, she had me kind of speechless for a while. I'm lucky that we have such a great orator in Karan to be there to kind of cover up when we're blushing away, you know. Right. But it does feel amazing, yeah. Sometimes you find yourself with nothing to say back. Yeah.
In fact, you're not on Twitter, but there are fan clubs of yours who are dedicatedly posting your pictures. Yeah. In fact, how does it feel that you have a loyal fan following, in spite of the fact that you are not on Twitter? Karan Johar has promised that he'll get you onto Twitter very soon. Yeah. So how does that feel? Because, you know, generally fans जो अगर stars खुद होते हैं social media पे, उनका जो एक certain वो होता है, it's slightly more that way. But this is something which is quite different actually.
Yeah, you know, for me, more and more I'm feeling like I've stayed away from Twitter. I've never even made a Facebook account in my whole life. So that's how far away I've been from the digital space. But it does feel and it does mean the world to me, and my fans and the people that help out and post these things must know that it means a lot, and I do look at everything that they do and I am in touch with that. But I feel like somewhere I would like to have a way and a way to kind of give back, or to make them at least express my gratitude to them, if not anyone else. So I'm contemplating more and more how I can do that. Joining Twitter and joining Instagram is definitely something I've always thought about, but it still needs me to, like I'm saying, breaking down this barrier. It might mean breaking down another barrier. No, but yeah, it feels amazing that to have that support and to have them kind of unconditionally support you. It means it gives you confidence in yourself and to going forward, you know.
Now, तुम ही हो when you perform and the way just the crowd erupts. Generally, it's considered that in stage shows you should be having like fast numbers, because that's what makes the crowd go grooving. when you have such reactions to like a slow and soft number, which is outstandingly popular, there is absolutely no doubt about that. What is your feel like? Because you're just standing over there with that guitar and that light in your hair, and people are going simply berserk.
Yeah, no, I think it's a testament to that music and that movie. You know, it touched a chord like no other film I've ever done, and it's a film that that kind of reaction to the music comes along in films very rarely. So I think that's a testament to the power of the songs that Arijit and Mithun and Mohit and Jeet and all of them made. And of course the film and the visuals and all of that, and to know that 3 years later Ashiki still resonates in such a big way in people's hearts is very heartening to see.
इनफैक्ट बहुत सी लड़कियां जो हैं वो तो टिकट सिर्फ इस वजह खरीद रही हैं कि दैट वो जो मोमेंट है वो उसके नीचे जैकेट के नीचे कैन बी द वन.
Yeah. Well, you never know. Keep buying those tickets and you'll find out.
Okay, and you're performing with a wide gamut of people, and when we are seeing the show, everything is very very just joined together. It's like conjoined together. And you're just performing with Alia as well. You're performing with Katrina. You're performing with Parineeti as well, and all of you together in the finale. How important is it for a team to just gel together, because that chemistry shows as far as the stage is concerned?
Yeah, part of the excitement of doing this tour was because we were going to be getting to work and enjoy ourselves and on this kind of platform with all our contemporaries. Some of us haven't worked with each other, and we knew it was going to be a fun experience. But you only know how it's going to turn out once you get onto it to see what the synergy is going to be, if there is going to be a synergy, if there is going to be support, and you never know what to expect. But I can safely say that we've had a great time together. We're talking about wanting to do more tours, and I'm sure we will. But I think that's also because we've all gotten along really well, and we've all been very supportive. Egos haven't come to the way. Everyone's been very secure about their own position, have been given their due, if you know what I mean.
Absolutely.
So everyone's been projected in the way that they want to be, and that's kept everyone happy, and in turn everyone's supporting each other.
A lot of hard work has gone into this thing. The way the traveling has been, it's not easy from one city to another. Time zones shift, long flights. India में इतना flights इतने लंबे बिल्कुल भी नहीं होते. How physically challenging has this entire tour for you?
It has been pretty hectic actually. The good thing is that we had 3 days off. We had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to all kind of unwind. So I think everyone's come back reinvigorated. Right. We do have a very long weekend ahead of us again. Yeah, it's because you're finishing the show and then you're flying the whole night. You've not slept and you have to perform again on lack of sleep. So it does get physically tiring, and because we're flying the length and breadth of the country, we're even in different time zones. So we don't know whether it's time for breakfast or lunch. Though I still manage to eat no matter what time it is. But yeah, it has been tiring. But you know, when you get back there and you hear the crowd chanting and it's time and it's show time, I think all that tiredness goes away. One black coffee and I think you're good to go.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Aditya, for your time. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.